Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert the pin in Yardforce X50i. For this, first we'll need to press on this stop button. Also make sure that your lawnmower is powered on. You can find the power switch on the other side right there. Then you'll be able to find all of the buttons. And there's also this lock one, which is very important. When it blinks like that, all interface is locked and it asks for the pin. Now to enter it, you can see all of the numbers in the bottom right corner of each button. There's 5 of them, and the first default factory pin is 4 times 0. So we just need to press on 4H 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the lock button is basically unlocked, which means we've inserted our pin properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.